and then finally fish farming, and at the end of the line is probably snow melting before we can re-inject the water again. But I like to think about cascading use of geothermal water and looking at the district heating in particular, because it was mentioned here, you say Germans don't have more than 50, 60 degrees. Never mind, what you find is what you have and what you have to use. So I like to think about this cascading use of water from geothermal wells. We know them, they are very expensive, and we need to squeeze out every temperature. Sorry, my wording is probably not correct. Every temperature we can before we re-inject it at maybe at 10 degrees. First, when the heating system starts, we can use the heat directly in a heat exchanger. The outflow can then, when the heating power is increased, we can couple heat pumps to it. And further, even the third or the fourth, until we have squeezed all the last remaining temperature elements of the fluid and put it into the district heating. This is exactly that we have been doing with Eiríkur and his company in China, where they find water of 40, 50 degrees Celsius, and by doing this in a serial manner on the primary side of the geothermal utilization, they managed to heat 100,000 of square meters with temperatures that are much colder than the coffee of McDonald's.